You're working smarter with Claude MCP. But managing books in QuickBooks. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, generate summaries of financial transactions for reports. Or rewrite invoice descriptions for clarity and professionalism. Or even draft insights based on cash flow patterns. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Claude MCP and QuickBooks, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.